We were good, we were gold. Kind of dream that can't be sold. We were right.
So là, nous allons aller là, la tour d'Eiffel. So, on est là, voilà. So, on a sorti là from this, you know, tour d'Eiffel. So, this is on our way to Tour d'Eiffel. We are going our ways, doing things. Tour d'Eiffel, this. Tour d'Eiffel. Wow. La Tour d'Eiffel. I am avec petite fille, ouais. We're having fun. Right, Link Kiki? We're going to see La Tour d'Eiffel, right, Link? Yeah, what, Link Kiki? La Tour d'Eiffel. La Tour d'Eiffel, yeah. That's a d'Eiffel. That's what we do it, Link Kiki. La Tour d'Eiffel. That's the river. Oh. Oh, they have nice boat here. Those boat, you go there for what?
Some people live over there.
For visit?
Let's go see. Come on.
Are you guys going up there?
Yeah, we can.
I don't want
And
to.
I want to get on a boat. Watch out. Watch out.
Huh? Back going. Pictures then, Kiki.
Every time I go, so it's the tower.
You need to stand here so I can take your back down, then, Kiki.
I have to
Then, Kiki, stay here so I can take you. Good. You've been there before? I did. I don't know. I don't know what building is that. I have no idea. Let's go. Now coming to the Tour d'Eiffel now. Wow. Puendinya. Have a bunch of boats in there. This is a big monument. Let's go see. A big monument. Yeah. Fancy tourists. Oh, there's a elevator.
Yeah. You don't even want to stay in Mexico.
Onde a gente se amava em total solidão. Hoje saio na noite vazia de uma agonia sem razão de ser. Apesar trazem você.
Voilà, il y a eu une attaque en voiture veillée. Il y a eu un mec qui a venu.
Tour d'Eiffel. Tout le monde qui fait photo là. Un peu d'activité. Croisière Rivière Cruise. You went there already then, Kiki?
No, she didn't do the after. That's why I'm glad we're here. She saw it. But I think we should. If we're gonna be here, we should do it.
Uh-huh.
Dad is friend.
Oh, let's go, let's go.
Nobody cares, huh? I guess they expect it.
So, Entrada, where? Which way are we going?
It's just.
This one too. Let's go. They put glass, you cannot just go. Et ça, ça m'a venu faire dans le pays ici. Quitter le pays, ils viennent faire tête. That's what they do.
So you have to wait 2-3 minutes? Yeah.
I don't know how long is the wait.
We're here. We might as well.
Doesn't matter. We're already here. If we don't do Notre Dame today, we do Notre Dame tomorrow. That's okay. Paris itself, we need a week.
Bridget.
Procession, Lady Lenka, we have a trip here. We gotta do a local procession, Lenka, to help you get trip. Never mind, trips are important. We'll send you the money.
Non, moi j'en ai 8. Moi en tout j'en ai 8.
Ah là, on va voir plus. Just have other bills to pay. He doesn't care. Yeah, no. He's fine. But he's actually fine. He's not asking. He didn't even ask you for that.
Ah,
Where are you from?
French. I do speak
Sorry?
French. For what?
It's for baby handicapped. Just a name. Where are you from?
Okay, so that's for homeless children.
Yes.
So when we sign, what we you have to be smart link. Okay. Le document est fait là, oui. Probablement tout est fait. We have like a long move. Right, Lenkiki? We have to go to Saint-Billet. Saint-Billet. If you have billet, you come. Yes, sir. Saint-Billet. You have money, Lenkiki?
No. How much is a beer? While we here.
Sorry. My partner.
Like, while we here.
You have to film me.
Those are cute.
You have to film me.
For my birthday, you're getting me boots.
Boots?
It's
What about this one?
documented for my. No, I need high ones.
It's just the same.
No. These are the ones Junior got me.
Yeah,
That was a good
You
idea.
see how they're low? I need high ones. It's cold.
on me. Make sure you get me right.
It's dark. What are you gonna speak?
You want me to say something?
All right, so guys,
I can
at
see.
the Eiffel Tower.
It's dark, it's dark, it's dark. On me, it's better.
At the Eiffel-
Yes, we are at the Eiffel Tower.
This is my vlog now.
That's my fault.
Anyway, guys, I'm grateful for my parents to come because I don't have to pay anything this trip.
Daddy's gonna pay everything for you today?
Yeah, and
Huh?
the rest of the days it's
Yeah.
gonna be amazing. Yeah, so we'll see.
Then when
I
you
think you
work,
have to
you're
go
gonna
through-
pay me back.
I'm not doing that, but maybe I'll help you out.
Oh, yes.
I won't put you in a home.
You sure?
That's a good start. We're very fortunate. We have a good day. It's not raining.
So you never went in there? Yes. So I am at the entrance of the Eiffel Tower, guys. So I'm about to show you how it goes in there. I don't know how much it is. So I have my daughter and my wife with me. So we are going to experiment.
You gotta wrap it up.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
How you
Say bye,
feeling?
Mommy.
Bye.
Mommy, she doesn't want to be an hour vlog.
Yeah, not really.
How much is it? You know then, Kiki?
I don't think it's very expensive.
Try to pay with your card to see if it works. I have to see if it works.
This thing, the car.
No, the card I gave you.
Yes, Steve.
Yeah,
He knows if it works.
I'm telling you.
He's duping me.
Because if I am here to know if we have to do something.
Okay,
But I am here.
I don't mind. I love swiping my cards, so.
I'm sure you do.
And this one's pretty.
This one?
Yeah, this one's like metal. It's pretty.
That's a medal one. That's a very, very, very nice one that I gave you. No, not yet, Linkiki. You have to put your stuff. Tariff ticket. So what are you doing, Linda?
No, not going to do ça. Moi, ma phone.
Uh-huh.
And then you're Polenka.
We're taking the license, sir? We're not doing the marche escalier. Okay. No marche escalier, right, Linkiki?
No.
Because last night I did the marche escalier. That was too much. No, c'est dans la cour que nous y là. On va le monter. Oh, it is a giant monument. Giant monument. It's a giant monument.
Yeah, we have to go by ticket. Ticket office.
Ticket. Already? Qu'est-ce ascenseur?
Yeah.
Sure. Right there.
I don't think we can. And also, it probably would just be cheaper to buy it. Okay, so I think you have to like reserve times. Come on, Dad.
Right there. We go here. Right here. You get tickets here. Some people take the stairs, right?
It's not even that
Machines
more
are saving.
expensive.
Yeah, it's just double the price. But that's fine. How am I walking? Not a bit issue.
Tickets.
Right now, you see when we were landing, the mom was
For me. Right, then, Kiki? Next. Then Kiki's speaking for me now.
One youth and then $2.
57.80.
So pretty.
It's good?
Carte manger.
Huh?
It's active. Is it active? Did you activate the car?
Activate. What it says.
It's getting sad.
We already paid $57 that we
No, we
paid
are, but we've been trying to
for the ascensor.
closer. But now
know,
we're just
so
like whatever. We'll
$57.
take a long train, 'cause we
And
don't
then
have-
now this is where you go for the ascensor to go up there. And we are waiting for
Train to
the
Germany, friends,
ascensor.
might be Bob Bush's salary, but
Now we are at the Dono. This is when you are paying to go to the ascensor. Then what to expect? Hey. Merci beaucoup. The ascensor here. Wait, go. Go. Move. Okay. Oh, very nice. Oh. Very nice. Et bien, ils ont maintenant monté ma escalier.
Deuxième étage. Pour aller au sommet, il faudra changer d'ascenseur. Second floor. To go to the top, you need to change lift.
Messieurs, dames, bienvenue au deuxième étage.
Oh. We have to go for the second encore avec. We have to go upstairs again, right?
Yeah, we can.
Ah, c'est DJI?
Ah oui, c'est DJI, oui.
You like it?
Ah bien.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to.
Better view because this is blocking us.
Where do we go and pay for the ascensor? Is the second one. Where do we go for the second floor? Qui côté vous allez dans la second floor? Okay. We take the tours here.
Ascend is gorgeous and all these views are. This is beautiful. There's some clouds here. The sun is still piercing through, but it's still a little cloudy. We give the brain sacra.
Let's go this way. Let's go. Yeah. Wait, c'est même ticket.
What? just tell us nothing. How do you get there?
They took the ticket from you? Huh? We have to go here. There. Sorry. Right here. Summit top.
That's what it's at.
Yes. All right, guys. Let's see. Okay.
Our side is like an hour away. You guys can.
What is it?
But you did not know that.
How can you do it? How can you do it?
Mais je veux le voir.
Il a été checké nous avant d'entrer vraiment. Il y a plusieurs sections. Checkpoint.
Ça c'est neuf. L'autre a été sauf.
Il y a un salle planté un peu.
Yeah, par le bois. Et le taxi. What is over there?
Don't know, but it's nice. find out what that is.
Vas-y, ah. Yeah. En face là, là, son muséum. Oh. Ça, là, c'est encore magnet, oui. Limestone. Big limestone qui fait là, ça, oui. Colin. Hey, Colin. Good ticket. Sticker. Yeah, hot dot.
Those are the family clothes. Where's your family? Ou pas gagner au dans mon phone?
Yeah.
Juste pour 60 €.
Hey, what cat to? We just asked.
When you're on the train, should we take the euros when we take the train? Alright, so let's just do the euros.
They take cards everywhere.
No, not everywhere, but most places.
But you live very well when you travel, right then, Kiki?
When do you use the euros? Because you said it's good to have cash here. When do you
I use the euros mostly in like.
cafes? Any place that doesn't
I
take.
think
So-
places it doesn't need
But I see you always use your card.
Yeah, most places take
So we
cards.
didn't really need all this from the euros.
So you didn't need all that.
Don't worry. Take your
No, we use-
leftovers.
In my
Use it
leftovers.
for that. We'll use it for that.
That's what I said.
Yeah, let's use it.
Use yours for like.
We'll leave the leftovers for you.
Going to like a dentist,
And we deduct them from the card.
this street market sometimes.
Yeah, that's true.
I use.
Si vous ne me voyez pas, ou alors si vous souhaitez répondre à la fin de la croisière pour venir me voir, il n'y a pas de problème, je serai à la sortie.
Is she soft French or Creole?
I'm going to do some filming, okay? I'll be back, guys. I'll be back.
C'est-à-dire que la Manche, l'océan Atlantique, c'est dans l'autre direction. On est en train de remonter le fleuve. C'est possible d'aller en bateau depuis Paris en mer. Il y a à peu près, on doit à peu près à 2 jours de navigation sur le site, c'est jusqu'à la Manche, mais c'est possible. Vous allez voir d'ailleurs
Big, 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 big.
bateaux qui transportent
Very bad, oui.
Juste lui, je vais essayer de sortir parce que la scène, c'est aussi le grave de marcher. On va seulement un peu ça on voit après, si tu prends le monde, la distance, la marche au piano, et avec I go from Paris, we need around 1 and 2 days to go there. That is possible. Maybe during the cruise you will see a lot of boats, transport goods, for example. Because the river is simply not something that you expect to And you have people who live inside the boats in Paris. If you look at on your left, you see people
But là, we can go those.
because you want to live on the boat in Paris. It's no way to live in
Everybody
this city.
stay there.
So you can see that on the left and the right, you see a picture of the Free State. This museum is open until midnight.
Chita là. C'est tout cool.
Vous avez des
It's too cold for me.
parce que c'est aussi
I'm not gonna take that cold. It's kind of chilly out there. Very chilly.
Voilà, donc après vous avez toute une flopée de
chilly.
personnes dures à l'intérieur. Vous voyez qu'ils sont amarrés en
Ouf,
fait
bad
un
enough.
bâtiment qui s'appelle le palais de Tokyo. c'est un musée d'art moderne et aussi un centre d'art contemporain. Un centre d'art contemporain, Palais Tokyo, est ouvert jusqu'à minuit. C'est le dernier musée qui ferme à Paris d'ailleurs. À gauche, on voit aussi la flamme de la liberté. C'est une copie grandeur nature de la flamme qui tient la statue de la liberté à New York. C'est une sculpture dorée derrière l'équipe. On y reste ici le film.
Okay, I'm going to sit. Take my seat. Right, you can sit.
So, this film is a real.
Toilette. Free, gratis. Voilà, occupé. It's 5 minutes from La Tour d'Eiffel. 5 minutes from La Tour d'Eiffel. Metro. Mesdames, là.
No, you can buy 3 separate.
Getting ticket. We can use this, not a big deal. We're getting ticket. 76 euros. So you're getting like a 5 days metro, we can go?
I'll show you.
I don't know. What happened? Buy tickets. How many?
Two passes.
For each person?
It's 2 for you guys. Metro, train ticket. How many do you want?
If we need 4 of them. That's what you say. 4 covers everything, right?
Yeah. So 24 total.
24. Is your card
You're gonna
Gigi?
put 2?
My card.
Yeah, I'll put money for you.
Okay.
How about you? You didn't get yours.
I'm gonna get mine.
So what do you come back to 2 of us if we have...
Because I need to reload mine.
Oh, okay.
You guys are gonna get separate cards.
Okay. I don't want them to come and get so much.
You don't get it? Alright.
This was your phone. This is your phone. Remember, 1 second.
What's the ticket?
Your means of payment? I thought you didn't. You didn't read it?
Okay, need of payment.
Let's go. I thought he read it.
Please wait.
Oh, I didn't look at you.
Alright. Tickets coming down. Please wait. Tickets here.
There's another one.
How many tickets coming?
1. Wait, watch out.
Okay, then she's gonna
That's it?
reload hers. She has to reload hers.
That's the tickets. What you mean?
She has to reload hers. The one she already has. It's just like Metro cards. Sometimes you just reload it. That's all.
That's you reloading now, eh?
She's gonna tell her how much she has left and then she's gonna reload it. Just like Metro cards. They don't do that here.
How much you have left?
0. I just bought one last night. We got like a spare.
Only 2?
Yeah, I want to.
Just for tomorrow.
You can put it there. Remove card.
I think you get another one.
That's it. Confirm. Okay. You're good. I'm going to follow you on the thing.
I already have a card, so.
Go this way then. What do you do?
What are you doing?
Go ahead. Alright. Very good. Which direction we go? Where are we going now? E non vale una proposta concessionale?
Non vogliamo più il male, non vale questo, poi la
Oh, we just missed it, right?
No, it's here.
Huh? We missed it.
No.
You just came? We missed it.
Just miss it?
There's one coming in 2 minutes, so.
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa.
Come down here, it's a short.
Let's go, Lynn. Wow.
Get home. I have some sanitizers I'm gonna put on the bottom of your things.
Next train.
Before you fold and
Engiki, exactly where are we going? Jill? That's the one? And where we... Let's go this way? This way, Engiki. Oh. The back. Oh. Very nice. Huh?
St. Michael Notre Dame.
The train is different from which way are we going? Michel Notre Dame.
Fermeture des portes. Attention à la fermeture des portes.
Nice. We have to use the ticket to get out? Huh? We have to use the ticket to get out, Lankiki? We have to use the ticket to get out.
It's the same thing in Atlanta. Right, it's a ticket or something.
Okay. That means you want to sans pas de payer, you doit rien bloquer.
Yeah. That's how it is in Atlanta.
There's a water here.
La scène qui est là pour se passer beaucoup de...
Okay. Let's go.
Pour se passer beaucoup de garage.
Yeah? And that's where we are. We're in the boat. Okay. Wow. Notre Dame. Yeah. Where's Notre Dame? That's the one? That's the one they just renovated, right? Wow. They have cycling by itself. La crème de Paris, Lankiki. We have to cross?
Yeah.
I thought that was this one. Which one we going, baby?
I think it's over there. You know, you were sure you to do
Where exactly we crossing that? Isn't it this one?
Petit pont.
We're crossing, right?
That looks like Manhattan. Yeah, so we're going to Notre Dame first, or we're going to go to the stores?
Oh wait, it's this one.
It's right there. We have to cross here.
I don't know what time it is.
Right there. We cross Lankiki and then we go this way.
This way.
Notre Dame. On va aller visiter. Notre Dame. Visiter Notre Dame. Oh. C'est le deux points du feu. Watch your step, Lankiki.
Attention.
Going inside. You went inside, Lankiki?
Of course. I have to go inside. You gotta watch that out. Good thing they have.
Ah. Oh, look at the architecture. Is it line?
It might be
Huh?
open.
What is that?
So they might be closing it.
I think it's closed, is it? I was asking.
Venga, this way. Let's go. We should ask. We should. Atravessar.
Mais bien sûr, bien sûr.
Au fond, c'est au sous.
Faut qu'elle vienne dans le crêpe.
Ah, crêpe qu'il a? I love crêpe.
I might get some crêpe and some coffee. I might get that. Alors, le spectacle est italien. Et alors? Atravesser en bas là, côté monument là. Regarde les rues, je regarde des grands lignes vraiment. Bien que le fouille, il va être grand ligne.
Et ça fait qu'il y a une ligne là. Et nous venons bon l'air. On doit faire ça.
Définitivement, il faut extension fini. This rush didn't make sense. Elle est là, c'est des bateaux.
Wow,
Mine is ridiculous.
this is crazy.
Where does it start though?
This is crazy. Yeah. I trust that. Notre Dame. How's him going, Leila?
Only long. It's just a matter of where does it start. Not there, we're not even.
Is it line? Tout droit? Where? So it seems that there's a big line to go in there. There's a line here. Can't believe it. There's a line. How long are we going to be in that line? Where the line starts?
I'm trying to see where that line starts. It's all the way in the back.
Réservation. Réservation, hein?
C'est réservation, la réservation nous-mêmes, c'est qu'on n'aime pas l'entrée. La réservation.
Oh. You have to go to the line all the way here. It's online. When you open the line.
We have no choice, man. It's moving though.
Go to the line. Still here? Marvin.
Okay.
They're still building it. Jean Capaboyala, ça a beaucoup fini. Fin bâti, non? C'est still dans le projet. C'est still dans le projet. I'm going to make the tour, I'll be back, okay? I'll catch you. Son ligne. Je suis obligé de rester une ligne bien longue. Ce côté de là, the big line pour aller ici sans la ligne obligé. And that line. You get, c'est tout le monde ça là. On va faire tout ça là, pour traverser. Il y a des gens qui ont une réservation, il faut faire réservation. Si on ne pas faire réservation, il dit qu'on ne va pas rentrer. C'est rentrer dans les People in there.
Trabajando ya.
Ma fedem de quitter Linda. C'est ça, dans l'île là toujours, parce qu'il est temps nous faire dans l'île là, pour nous arrêter là, et dire que il a recommencé encore. Ça marche. Il a son base qu'elle est. C'est parce qu'il est temps dans l'île là, pour nous capables réellement rentrer dedans. C'est trois personnes qui là, c'est touristes. On sortant de tout un plein air de langage, de français, anglais, arabique, you name it. Les lumières là qui projetent. Ça nous presque arrivé à avancer. Finally, we made it. We made it here. So we're close by. Sécurité. Il y a sécurité là. Messieurs, veuillez retirer votre couvre-chef. Chapeau. Et tirez chapeau. Gentlemen, take your hat. Ça c'est là avant d'entrer. Sécurité checker bague. Yeah. Messieurs, veuillez tirer votre move your hat. Gentlemen. No, it's a hat. Oh. Elena là, on fait. Sans la visite direction ici. Andate, andate, sto a fare lì. No? Allez. Linda, what pets him with? How fun you do that. Linda, let's go. Chapelle D. Ça est Moïse. Il y a un tableau là. Isaïe. Chapelle n'a fait pas eux. De beaux tableaux. David, chapelle David. Chapelle là. Il a fait pas eux. Tableau. David. Wow. Chapelle David et Salomon. Ça est chapelle Salomon. Beaucoup de tableaux. Salomon chapelle. Arrivé là, tableau là.
In Solomon, God gives wisdom to all people.
Chapelle de Salomon. Et chapelle Elia, là on vient faire confession. On va dedans, camper. C'est là on vient faire confession. La chapelle Elia. Dedans, on fait confession.
但是你又会信道教，然后你又会信如来佛法，如来佛教。
Confession.
encore à droite là. C'est plusieurs chapelles qu'il y a. Dans le travail, chapelle David Salomon. Église, c'est confession fait. Et puis mon chita là, vous regardez. Et ça, c'est l'état. Nice. No, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe push it there.
Vamos ver só a entrada do lado? Por aí? Olha lá.
Amache, this one no. But in the mess. Not a white sheet. Oh. I'll come in. I'm going to be just show. ensemble et un ticket gros évêque là.
Tamam çok güzel ki. Anlıyorum. Görüntü çok güzel. Buna bir şey yok zaten. Ama anlamadım. Anlamadım.
25. Yeah, 25.
25?
25, yeah. cool. Nous allons aller dans le coin de bois pour regarder ça.
Regarder de l'eau. Listen to her, Larry. Regarde de l'eau.
Tu fais activité dans la lac ou ça? What's that?
Oui, on va payer sur mon bouton, ça.
Il y a un train, oui. Il y a un train. Un peu de sculpture. Yürü. Non. Hein? C'est un massif profile. Regardez là, man. Ouf. This is crazy. This is truly crazy. Regardez son profile. C'est fait au campé là. Oh. That's crazy. This is crazy. Whoa.
Ah d'accord, ok.